This modern two-story home highlights contemporary design with white stucco, warm wooden accents, and a flat roof, perfectly balanced by a spacious, manicured front garden. Note the sharp angles and clean lines of this minimalist structure. The wooden accent wall softens the modern aesthetic, creating a warm contrast against the dusk sky. Large glass windows and beige exterior define this modern residence. The flat roof and manicured greenery emphasize a clean, open architectural style suited for suburban living. This design contrasts a dark gray gabled roof with brown siding and white stone. The symmetry of windows and potted plants create a balanced, inviting suburban entrance. Observe the white and gray walls in this contemporary home. Industrial metal railings and large windows blend seamlessly with natural wood accents for a truly sleek look. A climbing ivy column adds organic texture to this minimalist single-story structure. The flat roof with a wooden overhang provides essential shade while maintaining a sleek profile. Floor-to-ceiling glass wells connect the interior with the outdoors in this dusk setting. The central stone wall anchors the structure, while warm lighting highlights the open living spaces. This tropical modern design features bold, deep maroon and white walls. A stone accent wall and paved driveway complement the palm trees, creating a vibrant, sunny aesthetic. This charming single-story home utilizes a classic gabled roof and white porch columns. The symmetrical layout with manicured bushes create a timeless, welcoming traditional architectural style. Dark gray walls contrast sharply with a vibrant orange door in this modernist home. Large glass windows and a red accent stripe add bold, artistic geometric flair. Vertical wooden slats provide texture against the white facade of this minimalist home. Black window frames and balcony greenery create a sophisticated visual balance on the exterior. Horizontal gray siding and black framed windows establish a contemporary rhythm here. The stone pathway and vibrant red trees soften the clean lines, integrating nature with modern architecture. A black spiral staircase serves as a sculptural element on this contemporary facade. Gray and white panels with rectangular windows create a sleek, functional, and modern composition. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls dissolve the barrier between indoors and outdoors. The wooden frame adds warmth, while the visible illuminated interior creates a cozy, inviting twilight atmosphere. Black framed windows contrast elegantly against white walls in this two-story design. The wooden door and wicker furniture add texture, grounding the minimalist aesthetic in organic comfort.